This is the Polycom VVX 601 IP phone. The VVX 601 is an industry-leading phone designed to enhance collaboration and personal productivity. The VVX 601 has the same features as the VVX 600, such as HD voice and a touchscreen display, but also offers improved memory and processing. Included with the VVX 601 is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. At Atlas Phones, you can purchase the Polycom VVX 601 as new or like new. Our like new phones are refurbished, giving you a great quality product for an even better price. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.